All right, everybody. Train time. Yes, indeed. Coming in on track 3 is Northeast Regional number 195. 195.
I told you, Gunstar is the only person ever answered me.
Not stopping.
Home block cam, and that was 2 hours after I'd gotten off. 124. And coming all the way down on track 2, meeting 195 is Northeast Regional number 124 from Newport News to New York Penn Station, and 195 is now departing. And once again, I repeat, for 124, it is coming from Newport News, going to New York Penn Station via Aberdeen Mark/Amtrak Station and Newark, Delaware, SEPTA/Amtrak Station. Wow.
We had the perfect shot.
Yeah, perfect. And a perfect meet as well.
What do you have there?
Amtrak 124. 124, yes. Woohoo! Yes, it is 53. 53. Here it is, folks. Amtrak 53 to Sanford from Lorton. Woo! There's Big Daddy!
2:16:34. 2:16:34. Good job.
I'm gonna go and get a cookie.
Yeah, there you go. Free cookie for you. Good job. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, what a surprise.
Well, rail fans, here we are again. Amtrak 99 coming in.
Done chatting and mod chatting.
Oh, yeah. Before we get you a shot at that, here's Kathy Abbott.
Squish your glasses. But hey, it felt good. He naturalized it.
Hey! Awesome, how are you doing?
All right, let's see what we got. Engine 51.
Now you hung the horn? Really? Oh yeah, I know all about that.
I may just come for coffee.
They do that. Right?
You are awesome. Thank you.
All right, 99 now getting ready to depart. Or not. Now 99's getting ready to leave.
And you better believe he means that.
All right, folks.
Come on, wave. Keep on playing.
All right. There you have it, folks. Great job.